This was an actual slide generated by Slides GPT. This is the background. It was purple, and it was talking about how, what are some of the benefits for law firms. And check out the image. It generates its own images. Now, I'm not sure, why? Like, what does this have to do with anything? I think most people on the webinar are familiar with what that might be. But I was just like, what was it thinking? And then there was a slide on ROI, and it had a picture of a building in like ancient Rome. I was talking to a client the other day, and he is in Chicago. He's a journalist by background, and the lawyer needed something. He needed opening remarks for a charity event they were doing, and of course, he went and said, "Oh, I need this right away. Can you get this for me?" And he's like, "Oh my God, I don't have time to do this." He literally said, "Give me opening remarks from a law firm supporting this charity," and boom, the first draft. He said, "I got it in 30 seconds." But you've got to edit it. You've got to pay attention. You've got to be careful. As a recovering attorney, I can tell you, in a law firm, we've got to be really, really cautious. It's early days, and people are busy, and they're gonna forget to do the edit. When we got the slides out of here, it took a long time for us to go through. Now, I did go through the slides. The headings were initial cap only. They were all phrased as questions. There was so much garbage on the slides that you couldn't even read them. So rather than just having these 2 bullets, there would be 3 paragraphs of information that you then have to edit down, because this is PowerPoint. You don't want, to be giving large amounts of copy. As you can see here, it writes stuff in sentences. If I had done these slides, I wouldn't have done that. I eliminated a lot of that information. And then I'm not really sure why it picked a wood background with information about, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, but it's putting images on the slides. So I'm like, I don't know, do you have, are they stock images? Where do they come from? I don't know. I wonder where it got the picture of the joint. I'm not really clear on that.